Buying a car at auction is easy. Search. Visit the Manheim website to search for a car or set up an alert for when your dream vehicle gets listed. You can view our auction events as well as our online catalogues, which include information, images and condition reports for each car. Our condition reports include a visual grade, which is a visual assessment of its interior and exterior condition. However, it is not a mechanical or electrical assessment. Register. Even if you plan to buy in person, we recommend registering on the Manheim website to create your account. That way, if you can't make it to an auction, you can still join online or find a suitable car in our online-only Bid Now auctions. You will be all set to go. You can view our How to Buy Online video for further details. Inspect. You can check out our vehicles listed for in-lane auctions at Manheim locations from Monday to Friday. And you can even arrive early to inspect on the actual auction day. Visit the website for more details. Bidder registration. On auction day, arrive early with your photo ID to register as a buyer. After you get your bidder number and a printed catalogue, head out to the auction lanes to see and hear the cars running. Bid. To place a bid, simply raise your bidder number or your hand to get the auctioneer's attention. Realize you will also be bidding against people online in real time, but if your bid is the highest, it will be recognized by the auctioneer. Purchase. If you're the highest bidder and the reserve price is met, congratulations, you've bought the vehicle. If you're the highest bidder but didn't hit the reserve price, our friendly staff will try to negotiate a sale between you and the vendor. You will need to pay in full before you can collect your vehicle. You can pay on-site with our cashiers or via the payment portal on our website. Pickup. Once you've paid and we've received clear funds, you can pick up your car. We can also arrange transport at extra cost for added convenience. Just make sure your car is collected within 48 hours of the auction.